I'm strong. I've been so strong for a long time. I've never had it easy. I've never had it easy. They call me busy. They call me busy because I've never had it easy. And I struggle and I will always struggle through all life's bullshit that hands me. It hands me nothing but a fucking struggle. Nothing's ever easy, and I never get a handout, and I never get a fucking freebie. I don't like this. I don't like this life. Sometimes all I wanna do is take a little break, and I cannot get high.
How strong are you? How strong are you? Strong are you? And I've been thinking about back in the days when I was just a fucking child, and I'm looking in the face of a reflection, but it's my son and my protection. The protection on my head is gone. Why? Because it's like so long I'm thinking about myself and all these feelings that I see him feel. That's how I felt. And I don't know what to do. I just want to take out my belt. This fucking kid's crazy, but maybe I'm way out of line. But hold up. There's only so much you can do and get away with it. And when enough's enough, enough's enough. So they blue paper that motherfucking ass. Call your bluff.
How strong are you?
How strong are you?
How strong are you? How strong are you?
How strong are you?
How strong are you? How strong are you? Are you gonna make it through? Can you make it through?
How strong?
How strong?
How strong are you?
Are you ever gonna make it through? Are you ever gonna find your way to a better place? Way that you can make the money in a legit way, that you're not selling drugs on the fucking sidelines, on the sideways, on the guidelines are that you gotta do it this way, that way, but this is not how I follow the rules. I do what I do, how I want to do what I say goes in my house, and my man likes to stomp on that, cause we bump heads when it comes to authority, when it comes to we got one up on each other, but we're supposed to be equal, we're not supposed to be better than another one. We are equal, we are one, we are not. No way are we better than the other. So how strong are you? How strong are you? Can you make it through? How strong are you? Cause how strong are you? This headstrong motherfucker.
A-A-B-B-C-C, me free. The crime scene where I got to be, and that's with some fucking new era jeans and some new era shit, thinking about some fucking clever shit. Motherfuckers wanna know how I get another shit. I get the other shit when I hit the fucking bag. I twist that shit up, take a nice fucking drag. Motherfuckers wanna stop me, but sorry, you only clocking me. Cause you watching from afar, far, 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 far away. Far away. Watching from afar. Far away. You watching from afar. Far away. You watching from afar.
Watching from far away. You watching from far away from me, far away from me. You are watching from afar, and I'm wondering what you see when you look at me, when you see me from afar. What do you see? Do you understand? Do you understand the struggles of, are you gonna make it through?